Hello everyone, this is Parker with MacroFab, and today we're going to upload a .brd Eagle file into the MacroFab interface. So the one we're going to use is the MacroWatch, which you can grab off the MacroFab GitHub account. It's the macro_watch_v2 repository. Go ahead and grab those BRD files right there. And so I logged in and went to my PCBs. So here's all my PCBs. So I'm going to create a new PCB, and I am just going to drag and drop this .brd file in, and it's going to upload and start processing that Eagle file. So it's going to automatically generate the Gerber files, all the image previews and Gerber previews, and it's also going to do the part placement and bill of materials as well. So we're processing the Gerber files now. And actually we can go ahead and flip to the bill of materials, and we see how it's automatically selected all our parts. And we can go to the back to design. So yeah, there it is. So it's generating some thumbnails over here. And there we go.